Withdrawing money from your Ecwid account involves accessing your payment processor to transfer funds to your bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and log in with your credentials. Access your payment settings. From the Ecwid dashboard, go to Settings in the left sidebar and select Payment. Here, you will see the payment methods you've set up. Select your payment processor. Identify the payment processor you're using. Click on the respective payment method to access its settings. Withdraw funds. Each payment processor has its own withdrawal process. PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Transfer Funds option. Choose to transfer to your linked bank account. Stripe. Go to the Stripe dashboard, click on Balance and then select Payouts to withdraw your funds to your bank account. Square. Access the Square dashboard. Go to Balance and initiate the transfer to your bank account. Confirm the withdrawal. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal. Ensure that your bank account information is correct to avoid delays.